In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot Redesign. We'll start by getting you on the latest version, then take a clear, practical tour of the refreshed interface so you know exactly where things are and how to use them confidently. First, update your application. If you use Copilot in a desktop or mobile app, open your App Store and check for updates. On Windows, the Microsoft Store is usually the quickest path. On mobile, use your device's store. If you use Copilot in the browser, simply refresh the page. And if the layout still looks old, try clearing your cache or opening a new private window to force the newest assets to load. Make sure you're signed in with the account you actually plan to use personal or work, because the redesign may roll out at different times depending on your organization. If you don't see the new look after updating, restart the app or your browser. A quick tip: enable automatic updates so you always have the latest features without thinking about it, and check that your browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. Now, let's explore the redesigned interface. Think of it in three main areas: the navigation on the side, the chat canvas in the center, and the prompt bar along the bottom. The navigation section is your home base for conversations and shortcuts. You'll find your recent chats, options to start a new one, and tools to rename, pin, or remove threads. Pinning your most important chats keeps them at the top so you can jump back into ongoing work quickly. At the top bar, look for your account menu and settings. That's where you can switch themes, review data and privacy options, and adjust preferences like whether to save chat history. The chat canvas is where Copilot responds. Answers are structured for readability, often with citations when web results are used. You can expand cards, copy text, and in many cases export results. If something isn't quite right, use the feedback control's thumbs up or down, or ask Copilot to revise or continue. Don't hesitate to request sources or a more concise summary to match your needs. Down in the prompt bar, type your request and press Enter to send. Use Shift+Enter to add new lines for clearer prompts. You can attach files or images when you want Copilot to work with your content. And the microphone icon enables voice input if it's available. Depending on your region, you may see controls to toggle web results or choose a response style. If names differ slightly on your screen, look for the same ideas: how the model searches, how creative or precise it should be, and how it handles your context. That's it. Update first, then get comfortable with the navigation, canvas, and prompt bar so you can work faster with the new Copilot design.